Yeah, we out here. We just started our journey. One thing I like to do whenever I'm going far, whenever I got a long trip, I like to make a stop and just check everything on my tractor and trailer. Make sure everything's good, like the tires, stuff like that. Check the lights. You know what I mean? Just typical truck driver stuff that we gotta do. You know what I mean? And it gives you a time whenever you're driving far, whenever you got like, whenever you're pushing like, I would say 70 to 100 miles, 150 miles, stuff like that. It gives you a chance to get out of the truck and stretch your leg for a second, right? Get some coffee or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So that's just a tip I got for you guys. See my tires. I just got these tires on the truck, so we good on that. Yeah, I just had those put it on the truck, so everything looking good. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna get us a cup of coffee. Right now I'm stopped at this TA truck stop over here in Florida. TK is doing good. Yeah, my TK is fine. -9 degrees. The cooler is reading 39 right now. That's a little high, but it will go down because when I did my pre-trip, it was a little lower, so gotta keep my eye on that, but it will go down. You know what I mean? We had this TA truck stop. They'll give me a cup of coffee.